Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best handheld vacuum cleaners on the market, the BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum. Whether you have pets or just need a reliable, easy-to-use vacuum for your home, car, or furniture, this vacuum is designed to handle it all with powerful performance and convenience. The BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser features a 14-volt lithium-ion battery, providing cordless freedom so you can clean anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. It delivers strong suction that is specially engineered to remove embedded dirt and pet hair, thanks to its motorized brush tool. This makes it perfect for homes with pets, tackling messes on upholstery, stairs, car interiors, and other hard-to-reach areas. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its easy empty dirt bin. Designed to trap pet hair and debris efficiently, the dirt bin is large enough to hold more dirt than many other handheld vacuums, and emptying it is quick and mess-free. You won't have to struggle with dusty, sticky bins anymore. The vacuum comes with a set of specialized tools to maximize its cleaning versatility. Along with the motorized brush tool, you get an upholstery tool that gently cleans soft surfaces and attracts pet hair, plus a crevice tool that fits into tight spaces and corners. This trio of tools means you can easily clean a variety of surfaces and tricky spots that other handheld vacuums might miss. Inside, the vacuum uses a triple-level filtration system designed to capture dust and debris efficiently. This filtration helps improve overall cleaning performance and maintains suction strength as you work, while also helping to keep the air cleaner. The handheld vacuum weighs only about 3 pounds, making it comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver for extended cleaning sessions. It operates quietly at around 70 decibels, so it won't disturb your household while you're tidying up. Battery life is about 17 minutes on a full charge, which is enough for quick cleanups and targeted tasks. Charging takes about 8 hours, so it's ready to go when you need it next. The vacuum is also designed to be user-friendly with a touch control method, allowing you to power it on or off easily. In terms of size, the vacuum measures 16 inches long by 4.5 inches wide and 5 inches high, which is compact enough to store conveniently. The purple color adds a nice pop of style to your cleaning tools, and the cordless design ensures portability whether you're cleaning your home, car, or even stairs. With the purchase of this vacuum, BISSELL supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, which helps save pets in need, so you're also contributing to a good cause. In summary, the BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum offers strong suction, cordless convenience, specialized pet tools, and an easy-to-empty dirt bin, all in a lightweight, portable design. It's an excellent choice if you want a powerful, efficient vacuum that handles pet hair and everyday messes with ease. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a reliable handheld vacuum that's perfect for pet owners and quick cleanups, the BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.